why does it always feel like a huge task to contact Facebook support? Simply because most people don't even know how to contact Facebook properly. If you also fall into that category and are wondering how you can quickly contact Facebook support and raise your complaint, you've landed in the right place. In this video, we're going to reveal 5 different effective methods that you can use to contact Facebook's support team. On top of that, if you run ads or have a Facebook business account, we've also shared how you can get personalized support for your business or ad account as quickly as possible. So, let's not waste our time and dive right in. Facebook has plenty of department-centric emails that you can use to email them about your query. Each email represents a specific department, and you would have to choose the correct email for the right query. Or else, you might not hear anything back from them if your email lands on an unrelated inbox. Here are some of the email IDs of Facebook that you can use to contact them. These are some of the most crucial email addresses of Facebook's support team that you can use to contact them 24/7. Keep in mind that this method might work a bit slowly simply because of the amount of emails they receive per day. But usually, you'll get a response from them, if you've hit the right inbox, within a few working days. This is the easiest way to reach out to Facebook's customer support. You can use the built-in support system within the Facebook Help Center to raise your complaints or ask any query. The Facebook Help Center already has thousands of guides and answers to frequently asked questions that might help you resolve your issue even without contacting Facebook support. And if you don't find the answer, you can also contact the support team from the Help Center itself. If you run ads on Facebook and you have a Facebook Ads Manager account, you'll have direct contact with the support team and get way faster response than any other method. To access the live chat support feature, head over to the Meta Business Help page. Then click on Get Support from the right side of your screen. After that, you would have to give some basic information about your issue, and a Facebook support representative will be assigned to talk to you over chat live. However, there's one catch. This feature isn't available in every country and for every user. Only selected users and selected countries have this feature. So, if you have the feature, consider yourself as lucky. Facebook has a lot of feedback and contact forms for specific issues that you can use to raise your complaint to the support team. To use Facebook's feedback form, click on your profile icon and then tap on Give Feedback. Now, click on Something Went Wrong if you're facing any technical issues within the platform. You can also choose the Help Us Improve Facebook option if you have a general query. Then, fill out the details and hit Submit. Now, lastly, even after using all these methods, if you don't get a response from Facebook's support team, you have only one option left. That is social media. You can post about the issue you're having on your Facebook account and tag Facebook's official IDs. They'll quickly notice your issue and respond back to help you solve that issue. So that's how you can contact Facebook using these 5 different legit methods that work like a charm. If you have a business account and you're getting the live chat option, consider yourself lucky, as you can get quick support from Facebook without waiting for days for a response. However, if you want a quick reply, even for general queries, tagging Facebook on social media can do wonders for you. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.